Make sure you catch all the Nautanki on
Facebook
and Twitter.
Yes, do not forget.
You know, it's incredible when the stars come to this city. They come to City 1016, the UAE's #1 Bollywood radio station. In the studio with us right now, the cast and crew.
Hello.
We have Ayushmann Khurrana, we have Kunal Roy Kapoor, Pooja Salvi, Evelyn Sharma, Galen Mendonca, and of course, director Rohan Sippy as well. Welcome to City 1016. Thank you.
Thank you for having us.
साडी गली आजा सानू जान वालिए साडी गली आजा सानू जान वालिए साडी गली आजा सानू जान वालिए तेनू हो काम मारदा फेरा एक वारी आजा दूर जान वालिए एक वारी आजा दूर जान वालिए तेनू हो का मारदा फेरा तेनू हो का मारदा फेरा.
Okay, so I have to say, Rohan, Nautanki Sala, is this about theatre or are you referring to these two?
Oh, these two for sure. You know, it's the drama queens, and it's the Nautankis in all of us. You know, I think that's the fun of it. It's theatre there's on-stage theatre happening, and there's real drama happening off-stage.
This is very different to Delhi Belly, though. I think Delhi Belly was a lot more risque. It was a lot more edgy. I think this film is really it's really funny. But it's really mellow. It's really it's romantic. It's and we're really looking forward to it.
So romantic.
Romantic, yeah, but not between the two of us. Huh?
Alright, but is this an issue? So both of you have had like incredible debuts in Bollywood.
Yeah.
So is that a problem? Like, do you think that people are constantly expecting it to be another Vicky Donor? Do you think people are constantly expecting it to be another Delhi Belly?
The best part is they're expecting.
So am I actually.
Expectations pe khare utrenge. Yeah, I think this film is like different from Vicky Donor and Delhi Belly. Though there were a lot of romantic moments in Vicky Donor as well between Anu Kapoor and I. And of course there was romance between Kunal, Veer and Imran in Delhi Belly. But those films are very quirky. I think they're very edgy, in fact, like Kunal rightly said. This film is a quirky rom-com, in fact, if you put it like that. It's not a comedy, hardcore comedy. It's subtle. There are no forced gags in the film, and it's a sweet 2-hour film.
Right.
Yeah.
So let's ask the ladies. Who is the Nautanki Sala? Who's the most dramebaz? Out of these two. Actually, let's include Rohan in that. Out of all three of them.
Rohan is the biggest Nautanki. Look at his hat.
Alright, Pooja, who is the most dramebaz?
I think Kunal and Ayushmann both.
Both?
Both are
choose
really
one.
mad and crazy.
Okay, what do you think, Galen?
I think Ayushmann is definitely the bigger Nautanki between the two.
Thank you,
She
Galen.
was
Thank
the
you.
lead
No, I don't think
in
so.
MTV, and thanks, Galen.
Alright, so we're gonna actually go into another song, Thak Thak. Shall we play Thak Thak?
Yeah.
Any dedications?
See, that's the big difference between our movie and Delhi Belly and Vicky Donor. You have 3 hot Dak Dak girls.
A question actually to Rohan Sippy. This movie, Nautanki Sala, is going to be referencing a lot of different actors, right?
Absolutely.
Tell us a little bit about that.
Well, you know, it's a film about Ayushmann's playing a theatre actor and director, and and it's about a play. So naturally, their heroes are actors. So it was a way for us to fulfill all our thanks to all the legends of our cinema who have made 100 years of cinema so memorable. So there's a lot of Mr. Bachchan. We've talked about some of his stories. Abhishek has done a tiny cameo, but there's many. I think there's more than 10 or 15 others that you will spot references to through the film. And it was just a really fun way to do a salam to all the legends or even the guys who are out there today, the Khans, everyone who we're big fans of. So it's just so much fun to have that as a little tadka in the film, you know.
I play a guy called Mandar Lele, a Maharashtrian middle class guy, and he starts off the film being quite depressed and fed up with life and suicidal. And as he's about to commit suicide, he meets Ayushmann's character Ram Parmar, and that's where his life changes drastically. And then the story kind of evolves into what happens when Ayushmann tries to sort of rehabilitate him in a sense. So yeah, so it's the fun that the two characters have, and a very interesting and lovely romantic track and a romantic triangle.
Confusion.
Ladies, tell us, what was this experience
It
like?
was so much fun. We had a great time shooting this movie. I don't know about you guys. I did.
I play this character called Nandini Patel. So she's a florist in the film, and she plays. I basically play Mandar's, that's Kunal's ex-girlfriend. So it's completely about this romantic confusion among, I think, all of us in the film.
My character is called Chitra. I play Ayushman's girlfriend in the film, so rightfully he's mine. Yes, everybody should know that. Oh my god.
In real life, Galen is a Chitrahar. She's a drama queen. She's the biggest Nautanki in fact.
That's true.
It was super fun shooting with the three men here, and Evelyn and Pooja. It was a great experience. I mean, I couldn't have asked for a better debut.
Don't lie. Don't lie.